Welcome to English for Speaking Practice.
Jacob, can I tell you something personal?
Of course, Emma. Tell me anything.
I feel like people judge me when I speak English.
Why do you feel that way?
Their faces, their eyes, sometimes they look confused.
Confused doesn't mean judgment. Maybe they're just listening.
But I feel small in those moments.
I'm sorry you feel that. It must be heavy.
It is. I lose confidence every time.
Has someone ever said something rude?
Not exactly, but the silence after I speak feels loud.
Silence can be many things. Not always negative.
I still feel like they think I'm not smart.
Speaking a second language doesn't define intelligence.
I know, but my heart doesn't believe it.
Your heart is scared. That's normal.
Today I spoke at a shop. The cashier looked impatient.
Maybe he was having a bad day.
Maybe, but it felt like he judged my English.
I'm sorry you experienced that.
I wanted to disappear.
Emma, your voice deserves space.
It doesn't feel like that sometimes.
But it's true. You're learning. You're trying.
But why does it feel so hard?
Because learning a language is emotional, not just mental.
Emotional. Yes, that's the right word.
And you carry those emotions alone.
I do. I don't want to look weak.
You're not weak. You're brave.
Brave?
Yes, speaking in another language takes courage.
I wish other people understood that.
Even if they don't, I understand.
That helps more than you know.
Tell me, what makes you feel judged the most?
My accent.
Your accent is beautiful.
You're just being kind.
No, accents show stories, not mistakes.
I've heard people laugh at others' accents.
That says more about them, not about the speaker.
But what if they laugh at mine?
Then they're immature.
Still, it hurts. Even the thought hurts.
I understand.
Sometimes I practice sentences again and again.
And still feel unsure?
Yes, I feel like people will judge every word.
That's anxiety talking, not reality.
Maybe.
Let me ask you this. Have people ever praised your English?
Yes, a few times.
And did you believe them?
Not fully.
Why not?
Because I hear my mistakes louder.
Everyone does. We're our own biggest critics.
I want to stop caring about people's judgment.
It takes time and self-trust.
How do I build that?
Start by celebrating small wins.
Like speaking without giving up?
Exactly.
Sometimes I avoid speaking because I'm scared.
Avoiding makes the fear grow.
I know.
Talk more, even if it feels scary.
I'll try.
You're stronger than you think.
I just wish people were kinder.
Some people are, some people aren't.
Yes,
But you decide how much power they have over you.
I want to take that power back.
You already are, by talking about it.
Thank you for listening.
Always.
Do you think people judge my English as much as I think?
Honestly? No.
Really?
Most people are focused on their own lives.
That's true.
They don't analyze your English like you imagine.
I hope that's true.
I promise it is.
Sometimes I replay conversations in my head.
Overthinking?
Yes,
That makes everything feel bigger.
I know.
Try to let moments go after they pass.
Hard, but I'll try.
One step at a time.
Jacob, do you judge my English?
Never.
Why not?
Because I see your effort, not your mistakes.
That makes me feel safe.
You should feel safe with me.
I do.
And one day, you'll feel that with everyone.
I wish that day comes soon.
It will.
I want to speak freely, without fear.
You're already doing it right now.
Maybe.
Not maybe, not definitely.
Thank you for believing in me.
I always will.
Talking to you makes things feel lighter.
That's what friends are for.
You're a good friend, Jacob.
And you're a brave learner.
I'll try to remember that.
Whenever you doubt yourself, come talk to me.
I will.
You're not alone in this journey.
Thank you. Truly.
Anytime, Emma.
Jacob, can I talk to you about something?
Of course, Emma. What's going on?
I feel left out when people speak fast English.
Left out? How?
Like the conversation is running and I'm standing still.
That sounds really painful.
It is. I try to listen, but the words blur.
Do you feel this often?
Almost every day.
With friends? At work?
Everywhere. At shops, in class, even at gatherings.
And what do you do when it happens?
I smile, pretend.
Pretend you understood?
Yes, even when I didn't.
That must be exhausting.
It is. It drains me.
Have you ever asked someone to repeat?
I'm scared they'll get annoyed.
Good people won't mind repeating.
But I don't want to look slow.
Understanding is not the same as being slow.
Try telling that to my brain.
Your brain is stressed.
Yes, exactly.
Do you feel embarrassed when you miss something?
Very. I feel stupid.
You're not stupid, Emma. Not even close.
Then why can't I follow fast English?
Because fast speech is difficult even for native speakers sometimes.
Really?
Absolutely. Everyone struggles with it.
But they catch up quickly. I don't.
You're learning a new language. It takes time.
Still, I hate that left out feeling.
Being left out hurts, doesn't it?
Yes, it feels like I don't belong.
You do belong. Always.
I don't know.
Trust me on this.
Sometimes I stand in a group and just smile.
And inside you feel lost?
Completely lost.
I wish I could be there in those moments.
Why?
I'd slow down the conversation for you.
That's kind.
Not kind, normal. You deserve to understand.
I hesitate to interrupt.
You have every right to ask questions.
I just feel like a burden.
You're not a burden.
You always say that.
Because it's true.
Yesterday, I missed half of a story my colleague told.
Did you ask her to explain again?
No, I just laughed when others laughed.
That must have felt lonely.
Very lonely.
I'm sorry you go through that.
Sometimes I think maybe I don't belong in English-speaking groups.
Emma, don't say that.
It's how I feel.
You're learning. You're improving. This is temporary.
It doesn't feel temporary.
But it is, I promise.
When will it change?
Slowly, gradually, but it will.
I'm tired of feeling left out.
I know.
When people laugh quickly, I don't get the joke.
Humor is hard in a second language.
I want to laugh with them, not after them.
You will one day.
Really?
Absolutely.
You sound so sure.
Because I see you trying.
Trying feels invisible sometimes.
Not to me.
Thank you.
Always here for you.
How can I improve my listening?
Slow podcasts, movies with subtitles.
I do that, but real people speak differently.
True. Real conversations are messier.
Yes, exactly.
But your ear will adjust.
I hope so.
It will. Trust the process.
I want to understand without fear.
That day will come.
Do you think I should ask people to slow down?
Yes. Gently. Politely.
What if they think I'm weak?
Asking for help is strength.
Sometimes I nod even when I don't understand.
Many people do that.
Really?
Yes. Even natives pretend sometimes.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
I just want to feel included.
You deserve to be included.
You always understand me.
Because I listen.
I wish everyone listened like you.
Maybe one day they will.
Do you think I'll ever follow fast English?
Yes, 100%.
You say that with so much confidence.
Because you're improving every week.
Am I?
Yes, I notice.
That means a lot.
You're not alone in this.
Thank you for staying by my side.
I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
You really think I can overcome this?
I know you can.
I'll keep trying then.
And I'll keep supporting you.
Deal?
Deal.